Then of course, once we can touch her with the rope, we want to be able to come down and pick her up. One of the most important things whenever you're getting the horses to stand still is number one, don't create a fight that's not there. So many people just reach down and grab them by the foot and try to pick it up. If I was walking in public and you walk past me and you're a stranger and all of a sudden you just reach down and grab me by the boot, I'd be, what the hell, get off me, what you doing? But now if you walked up to me and you rubbed on my leg, you said, Michael, excuse me, Michael. Hey, I might be willing to give you my boot, you know what I mean? Well, it's the same way with the horse. What I'm looking to do is let them know what's coming, and what you're gonna wait for is for that weight to shift over. When I start touching her, since she's sensitive, she starts taking that weight off of that foot.